We got a little bit of a traffic jam here. A sheep. Nigel's totally gonna lose it.
Is the horse gonna get them out of the way, or do I need to go?
I don't know. I think they'll tell you.
The dogs are up there.
The fucking dogs should get down here and do some work. Nigel will go round them up.
He's yelling at him. Look, he's got him trained. These guys are... Oh!
Oh, no.
Look,
oh.
there's the dog.
There he is. He's working it. See, that one's the guard dog. And that one's the herding dog. Oh, he's got a crew.
Look at that little butt. Look at that little seat butt.
There we go. That dog's cute. Look at him.
Is he telling me to go?
Oh, they got a lab.
There we go.
Can we go?
Frickin' udders.
Who? Oh, yeah. She must have just had a baby.
Woo.
Oh, that was